Yeah! You get in that parking lot, I'll be right there. I'm gonna come see you. What's going on, man?
We're going to Nick Earl. No, we're not starting out here. Good to see you, brother. Good to see you.
I heard about you.
Man, I said, that's him right there. I said, yeah.
That's funny. Let me grab my coffee. I'll stand here and talk.
Sir. That's what I was looking for over here.
Are you gonna, did you get any?
No, I'm short on change right now.
Well, here, let me,
You going to Amy's?
I'll go park the car and I'll go get you a cup of coffee.
Thanks, brother.
Meet me over by the door.
But it's a year-long program. It's in Bexley and Reynoldsburg. They got sober living. They got like 100 houses now for men and women. February 1st, I completed my outpatient. Everything's finished. I got my certificates. Hand says, I just seen him Tuesday. Well, we're on Thursday now.
Yeah, he told me.
Yeah.
Like he was at the sub and he was like, yeah, Michael was looking for you.
He said, that motherfucker, he said, you look good, man.
You do.
But I knew you cared when when I seen you and that female that day, and you took me to Amy's finally.
Yeah.
But you said, what'd they say? I said, what the hell you did? They said they kept me for 2 months.
Yeah, well, they probably should have kept you longer.
How you doing, buddy?
Jeff, this is Michael.
Hey, Michael, good to meet you.
Michael used to live at 3090 Steel Avenue.
Okay.
And he has multiple mental health issues, and he had a crack problem. God knows what other problems. He used to call us 6, 7, 8 times a night. Called IA on me multiple times for not writing parking tickets on his street. Called me a motherfucker everywhere he went.
Not every time.
Not every time, but many, many times.
Slow, fast.
CFD would not respond to his house without police escort because he had threatened him so many times. I got him probated, and that worked for a minute, and then you kind of fell off the wagon again. But now he's been, how long you been clean?
It's 22 months. It's June 6th of 2020.
Been there 2 years. Completed all these programs.
Program called Lighthouse out east, and now they got one for suboxone out here. So
Yeah.
270 across.
Does it look good?
Oh, fantastic. Thank you.
Yeah. That's what he saw me. He's like, Badger.
Said, that is
No way. You remember him?
Oh, dude, I was burned into his brain for a long.
You remember him?
Well,
Oh,
tell
fuck
me about
yeah.
your Facebook profile. You made
Yeah, I did.
I made an
He used to.
impression
He used to tell the B
Sergeant
Company
Slaughter.
guys. He's like, "Where's that fucking Sergeant Slaughter at,
Sergeant
motherfucker?" And blah blah blah.
that slow son.
So-
Wouldn't chase him down when they broke him.
Yeah.
Supposedly.
So I changed my Facebook profile to Sergeant Slaughter just for him, and I showed it to him one night. But then, so I kept begging him to go to Netcare, and he refused to go for months and months and months. So I went and got him probated.
Said we're going to Amy's Donuts.
Yeah.
What the fuck?
Well, but that was because you weren't home when I went to take you to Amy's Donuts. I made a date with him. I was like, I'll take you to Amy's, and then we're going to go to Netcare afterwards. He's like, you know what, Badger? I'll be there. So I went to his house at 11 o'clock like I was supposed to, and he wasn't there. Where he was he was at the casino.
Or was that?
Yeah.
Was that the same night?
Yep, and the casino called in on a trespasser, and it was him. So I get there, and he comes out, probably drunk and cracked out.
I don't know about drunk. Yeah, I didn't like alcohol.
Yeah, and he had like some food and stuff with him. He hops in my car. He's like, "All right, Badger." He's like, "Let's go get some donuts."
And going the other way.
Yeah, I was like, "Nope, you weren't home. We're not getting donuts right now."
150, 151.
And man, you had like
Sunflower seeds.
seeds. He threw them all over the back of my car.
Try to get him through the cage.
He was trying to, he was saying that he was going to kick me in the teeth if I opened the back door.
Yeah.
We had to.
You better have about 6 or 7 of them down there.
So I called for backup, and then he was never a problem, but he ran his mouth like a motherfucker.
Yeah, I did, and I said I did a whole lot of this and shit, trying to get him.
Yeah, but no, that's
Then
Michael
a couple,
Service.
3 weeks later, I see him and a female driving down through there when I was walking back down Grace or something towards Steel, and he said, what day? He said, come here. He said, we're going to Amy's now, so we actually did go to Amy's.
I did take him.
But
I
he
got
said-
the picture.
He said,
Your success story, bro.
Thank you.
That's fantastic, man.
Yeah, I mean, that's what they say.
So here's my, because him and I always want to figure out what makes someone, number one, want to get clean, where they're at in their life, the experiences they've had, and then how do they stay clean.
That's the thing.
And then your message impacts so many more the people here?
Well, Judge
Okay, they
Moore wants me to, they
not
said, we'd like you to stay in touch and maybe come back and talk to some people getting in mental health court.
You make money doing it by like working at Hope or whatever, because they hire former addicts and those kind of things. Because they don't want to listen to us.
No,
They want to listen to people like you.
We had a white officer come out to the Peer Center. They got 4177 East Broad. Come out and talk, and I said, you know what? I raised my hand and I said, you know what? I want to thank you guys. I said, I'll get teared up. You guys put your life on the line every day, and the only reason we say you're a motherfucker, dickhead, fuck the police, is because you catch us doing shit that we shouldn't be doing. You know, we're mad at you because we get caught, and but you know, nothing good happens after midnight. I told him.